spirit of Christmas and being in that giving spirit, we are highlighting Elpis Enterprises. This is a nonprofit group that is focused on ending youth homelessness. Now, this organization has paid internships that include learning and teaching woodworking by building bird feeders. They then sell the bird feeders as well as kits for DIYers to put together their own. Elpis also raises money to bring these birdhouse kits to local elementary schools and teach fourth graders woodworking through building the bird feeders. Now, do you want to learn how to build a bird feeder? Well, watch this tutorial from Elpis Enterprises, filmed on location at their St. Paul, Minnesota wood shop. Now, for more information on Elpis and how to support them, including purchasing your very own bird feeder or bird feeder DIY kit, follow the link in the description. Merry Christmas from all of us here at woodworkerexpress.com.